Well, if you look at employers, for example, we see that large companies in Slovenia are not as good as large companies elsewhere in really implementing high-performance work practices, making the best use out of their employee skills. It's one thing employers can do in investing in the skills of their people in their future. There's a lot that individuals can do. I think one of the hardest challenges for Slovenia is to convince people to take more of a responsibility for their future, and that is about investing in their skills and making themselves sort of competitive in the economy. And the government can do a lot, and the question of who should pay and who benefits from investment in skills. At the moment it's all public sector investment, but finding a better balance between the costs and benefits of education, I think, is something that is important. You have, for example, a big gap between what employers pay for workers and what workers actually get. Those are issues that governments can need to really act on in the case of Slovenia. And I'm really confident. I think what we have seen in terms of the collaboration in this project sets the right tone for making this happen. Certainly Slovenia's future depends entirely on this. Slovenia has no oil. Slovenia has no kind of natural resources that it can convert into physical capital. So it really depends on the skills of its people.